Bazzy, what you doing?
Ooh.
Are you a zombie? Do you have brains in there? No.
Do dummy.
Do you-
Do dummy.
You're a zombie?
And no candy.
There's no candy in there. You can't say hello candy and have candy appear.
Ooh.
You're gonna get it stuck in your head now. Yep. Come here, I'll help you. Get it off. Come here. Arms up.
No.
Taking a nap.
No. Tina. Ooh.
Hey. Bye. Bye. Good job.